Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Cloud Learner Pro channel. In this channel, today we are going to learn about Azure Resource Group. We'll try to understand how to create a resource group, what is the functionality of resource group, and how we can use resource group. Let's quickly try to understand what is the functionality of resource group first. Then we will look how we can create a resource group. This is how the Azure Resource Group logo looks like. Azure Resource Group is nothing but a logical container which is used to hold or group the resources. If you're having multiple resources like a VM scale set, key vault, function apps, VNets, DNS, so any kind of resource we can group in a resource group irrespective of their function, irrespective of their location. So what is the use of resource group then? Resource group, it is not only used for grouping the resources, it helps us to differentiate the environments. Like say, for example, you have an environment called dev, you have an environment called prod, you have an environment called pre-prod. You will be able to differentiate among your resources by grouping the dev resources in one resource group, by grouping prod resources in one resource group, by grouping non-prod resources in another resource group. So you will have an easy identification. Hey, I have my dev resources only in dev resource group. Likewise, even you can differentiate according to your application. Like you have an application ABC. You want to keep ABC application dependent resources in a resource group called ABC resource group. You can create a resource group and group the necessary or dependent resources in a single resource group for a easy administration. This is a quick intro and brief about a resource group. Let's see how we can create a resource group. Now I'm in Azure portal. To create a resource group, all you need to do is you can search on the search bar, resource groups. You'll be able to see this drop down option, resource groups. You can click on the resource group. I already have some resource groups created in my subscription. If you need to create a new resource group, how we can create. So to create a resource group, click on create button and you'll have to provide details like which region you want to create a resource group and what is the name of your resource group. I want to call my resource group name as test RG. And if you want to give any tags, you can give the tags. If you don't want to give any value here, you can click on review create. Now validation is passed and I'm going to create the resource group. Click on create to create a resource group. See, resource group is created. You can see the notification also. It says creating resource group in subscription is succeeded. See, I can see the subscription as well here. This is the simple way to create a resource group. Even you can use PowerShell method to create a resource group. You can use Azure CLI to create a resource group. Up to your comfortable method or way, you can use any one of these three methods to create a resource group or resources. If I go to demo.rg, for example, I'll show you the list of resources are available in this resource group. So you have different types of resources, like I have recovery service vault, virtual network, virtual machine, public IP address, NSG, network interface disk. There are so many components and all those components are grouped in a single RG resource group. So resource group, its basic functionality is to group the resources and it is easy for an administration or an administrator. It is easy for an administrator to manage the resources as well. So that's a quick video about a resource group. If you want to try it out to create a RG, try using the same video reference. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like this channel.